afternoon, everyone. I hope you had a great day. I'm Ray.
And I'm Isabel. Welcome to WestyVCA. Here's the news for Friday, October 7th, 2022.
Tonight is the big homecoming game against Mountain Range, and we want all of you to show up to cheer on your Wolves to victory.
That's right. Kickoff is at 6 p.m., but get here early so you can grab some food and drinks and join in on the fun. The more people that show up, the more exciting the game will be.
On Wednesday, the juniors and seniors squared off in our Powder Puff game. Let's take a look at the highlights.
Wow, what a great game. Now let's check in with CJ and the Westy Sports Report. CJ?
Thanks, guys. There's a ton of sports going on this week, so let's get into it. As you said, tonight at 6 p.m. is the big homecoming game. The Wolves take on Mountain Range at Wolfpack Memorial Stadium. We hope to see all of you there. Make sure to get there early for food, drinks, and fun. The cross-country squad hits the road for a meet at the Northwest Open Spaces for the Pot Amato Classic. The action gets underway at 1 p.m. and we know you'll do great, Wolves. On Saturday, the girls softball team takes on Overland here at England Park. Varsity takes the field at 10 a.m. and JV begins at noon. Swing for the fences, ladies. And finally, the JV football team travels to Mountain Range on Saturday. Kickoff is at 11 a.m. Good luck, Wolves. Back to you guys.
Thanks, CJ. The pep assembly is this afternoon in the gym. Be prepared to cheer and wish the best of luck to our football players, cheerleaders, and band for the homecoming game.
The homecoming dance is tomorrow night from 7 to 10 p.m. The theme is Happily Ever After, and we hope you're as excited as we are to spend a memorable night with your friends dancing to the music. Tickets are only $10, and you must be eligible to attend the dance. Come dressed to impress and dance the night away with your friends.
And now, here's our very own Trinity with another hilarious How Clean Is Your Car?
Hello, this is Trinity Castaneda, and how clean is your car?
My car's clean.
Okay, so here is the car. So we got tinfoil under the seat. We got some Popeyes.
You guys can look in the back.
Yum.
You guys want water?
So, some water, gotta stay hydrated. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's see the trunk. How clean is the trunk? Okay, not bad. You can fit a child in there. Or two. Let's see, do I fit in the trunk?
Love you, Mom. Made it on the news. My car's clean.
Yeah, not bad.
Next Wednesday, October 12th, is Financial Aid Night. Come out with your parents from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. to learn about all the opportunities that exist for you to secure the financial aid. As a bonus, dinner will be provided for the entire family. All the documents you will need to bring for that night can be found on the Future Center website, or you can also scan the QR code on your screen for all the information you need. Stop by the Future Center today to have your questions answered in person.
Hello again, everyone. I'm CJ, and this is your coming events billboard for all the sports happening next week.
And that's it for today's Wolf TV. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the show. I'm Ray.
And I'm Isabel. Have a great rest of your day. We will see you next time, Westy.